Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are now back at it again with a wig from Iseehair, and this wig, I want to say this is kinky curly. I want to say it's the Mongolian 22-inch hair, and we're pretty much gonna get right into it because I'm still unsure how to make my videos longer. So I skipped the braiding part. Now we're cutting the cap. I'm gonna do the gluing. The glue I'm gonna use is boho active and walker tape. I'm using these two again because I feel like they both, when you combine the two, they give you a stronger hold. Plus the hair is curly, and you know, normally curly hair, you're damn near wetting it every day. So pretty much that's about it, but stay tuned. When you do your layers, you can do 2 to 3 layers or 3 to 4 layers of glue. Right now I'm just putting it on the front of her head. I already put some on her sides, and then I'm gonna back it door and go put walker tape on the sides because I feel like the sides always come up first. I've seen Cliff Vermeer, I've seen him use the white glue and the clear glue, and he used lace tape, but I don't really care to use lace tape, so I just stick to the glue. Pretty much when she was holding down her sides in that last clip, I sewn on the back of her tracks behind the frontal so it could be sewn down, and then normally I sew around the perimeter of her head as well. But right now I am cutting the lace. I'm going in a zigzag motion so it does not be a straight across line. Ooh, yes, honey, scalp. Iseehair. So far, so good. I don't see any complaints. If anything, all I had to do was tint the lace with some powder. But other than that lace melted in her skin so well. Like, as far as shedding and bleaching the knots, that all was a green for me. A good thumbs up. I feel like if the hair does shed, it's because you don't brush it and you're not managing it. But throughout the video, when I do her hair at the end, I'm going to be using water and leave-in condition, because I don't like when you get curly hair and it's stiff, because you're using mousse to define it. You could define it with leave-in conditioner. So mix it with some water, shake it up, and spray it on your hair. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at og.ash. I will put that down below. I will put the link to this hair down below. This video was not sponsored. This is just one of my clients and I recorded it. Thank you once again. Goodbye.